My name is Madhusudanan Ayanikat, and I have been undergoing treatment for the last several years. I consulted initially Dr. Shruti Khate, who is the oncology in charge, and I got wonderful service from her.
And how she consulted you?
Shruti Khate, whenever I approached her, even on holidays, she gave a positive response and helped me in even getting admitted in the hospital for emergency on an emergency basis. She is very, very helpful and knowledgeable. And I have undergone chemotherapy, and my PSA was still increasing. And ultimately, Dr. Shruti Khate decided to administer PSMA therapy, which has been done yesterday. I underwent the PSMA therapy, and the result is awaited. Even though my disease is still under control, they are trying their level best to keep it under control.
Okay.